A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to discuss about the lean letters. These are also called the soft sign. There are six short signs, six long signs, and two lean letters. We call them vowel and ya lean. If there is fatha before waw silent, no matter what is the letter before waw, it can be dal, zal, ra, za, any of the letter. So if there is fatha on any of the letter before waw silent, so that is called vowel. Same here, if there is fatha before ya silent, no matter what is the letter before ya, so we will call it ya lean. Waw lean and ya lean. Fatha before waw silent is called waw lean, and fatha before ya silent is called ya lean. We have to read them softly, not long, not short. Like if you will read this one, dal, wow, fatha, dav. This is wrong. And if you will read it like dal, wow, fatha, dav, this is also wrong. But the correct pronunciation is daw, softly. Daw, dai. This one is ta, wow, fatha, taw. Ta, ya, fatha, tay. Dal, waw, fatha, daw. Dal, ya, fatha, day. Daw, day. Same here. This one will be dal, waw, fatha, daw. Dal, ya, fatha, day. Daw, day. Zaw, zay. To, toy. Love and lie. This one will be bow, by. Ow, I. Cow, kai. Ow, I. Mow, my. Wow, why. At the end, I will tell you again. If there is fatha before wow silent, that is wowleen, and fatha before ya is called yaleen. We have learned till now the 14 signs. There are two more signs remaining. Let's make it clear that fatha, kasra, dhamma, double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma, these are called short sign. Standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma, these are called long sign. Alif madda, waw madda, ya madda, these are called long sign. Fatha before waw silent is called vowel, and fatha before ya silent is called yalin. This one is a short sign, so we will read it short. Tu. This one is long sign, waw madda, so we will read it long. Tu. This one will be tau, vowel. Short, ti. Long, ti. Soft, tai. Same here. Ku, long. Kau, soft. U, long. Au, soft. Mu, long. Mau, soft. Same here. Qi, long. Qai, soft. Same here. E, long. I, soft. Me, long. My, soft. I hope you got the difference between short sign, long sign, and the soft sign. In the next video, we will discuss about the joining sign. So these will be the last two signs. I hope you get everything. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.